Happy New Year, everyone. New Year's Day. Feeling quite haggard, so I'm going to do my perfect facial. Now I'm going to do this hopefully twice a week. I will aim for Monday and Thursday, but we'll see how we go. Now, my perfect facial. Okay, there's the box that it arrives in. Now in there you have an activator gel, elevating powder, a mixing bowl, your spoons, which you must measure out your ingredients, beautiful soft brush, and also your collagen soak, which you apply after your facial. Now, previously in the shower, I've used my perfect wash. Beautiful stuff. Actually, the only thing that removes my my perfect mascara in one hit. Okay, so in the bowl, you put your activating gel into the bowl with the large spoon. Get a good squirt, tap it out, and then your elevating powder. You use the middle size spoon, give it a good size spoon. Okay, put the lid on that, I don't want to spill that. And you mix it into a lovely paste. Only takes 30 seconds. Make sure you get it all off the side of the bowl, from the corners of the bowl. I hope everyone had a good New Year. I did. Okay, so beautiful paste there. So we start with the neck. And it feels beautiful and cool on the skin too. Now the chin. Now I've got a lot of deep creases, so I'm just really going to concentrate on those. Now I wanted to find gravity, so up and out. I'm going to do my neck again, that's disgusting. Okay, chin, clown lines. Oops. And up on the jowls. Upward motion. Now I've had many skin cancers cut out of my skin. Big one here, big one from my lip here, so I've got no groove in my lip. Another one down here, and lots of scars all over the place. So this stuff plumps it out. Love it. Now I'm doing the lips. Okay, you got the nose. Try not to go up your nose like I usually do. Big crease there. And up. Now, it goes a long way. So I'm going to do the back of my hands. Got skin cancers there. And in the grooves of your nose. And I just turn that on the side and just go down other way. Now after applying it, about 5 minutes, you'll feel it tightening. Leave it on for about 30 minutes for full effect and you will love it. Okay, just going to do the back of my hands. Many years in the sun, a lot of sun damage. Okay, I have just removed my perfect facial. I didn't want to bore you with the whole process and everything of removing it. I love this product. I cannot say enough about it. From my perfect facial to the day cream with the SPF 15, to the night cream where your skin feels absolutely amazing of a morning. It feels so soft. My perfect mascara, absolutely love. My perfect wash, which is so creamy and frothy, and I just love it. I cannot say enough about this product. Anything that makes you feel good within yourself is worth putting out there. You've got to try the product. It is amazing. I've spoken to a lot of women and they believe in the product. That's why we do it. That's why we put ourselves out there for everybody to see all over the world. Yeah, do yourself a favour. Go and get it. It's amazing. If it makes you feel good within yourself, if it takes 5-10 years off you, do it. The My Perfect Facial, do it at least twice a week, okay? You will love it. I don't do it often enough, but I'm going to aim to do it every 4 days. My skin is so sun damaged. I've had so many cancers cut off my face. I've done the chemo cream on my face. That's why I get red and blotchy. I love this product. You've got to try it. I believe in it. Do it. Do yourself a favour. Treat yourself. Thank you.